Greetings of the day. Welcome back to the SolidWorks tutorial. Today we are going to design this simple fork in surface feature of a SolidWorks. Here we will use some features of a surface to create 3D of this fork. Let's start to create the simple fork. For creating 3D of the fork, we will use this 2D drawing. Now let's go to the SolidWorks, go to the new, then select part, say OK. Fine. In this 2D drawing, we have two drawings. This sketch we have to draw on the top plane, and this one we have to draw on the front plane. We will create this profile, then we will use it for the cutting surfaces. Okay. Now we will draw the now we will draw this one sketch on the top plane. Select top plane, sketch. Initially we will draw the center line, horizontal relation added. Again we will draw two more center line, one in the start and another one in the end. So I will draw here only, then I will connect these two coincident. Then I will make it vertical. Now I will give this dimension from this point to this point 200 mm. Okay, now I will draw this line from this point. If I say center line is here, these points point to point distance is 25 and this point distance is 32, 25 and 32. Okay, I will draw this line, slanting line, dimension along with the center line 25 and this point 32. Fine. With the dimension 44.02. Here to here it's 44.02. Fine. Then I will draw this curve and this one opposite side, which has a dimension radius 10 and 10, both are 10. Okay. 3-point arc. This one and this one. Fine. I'll give the dimension 10. This one is also okay, 10 mm. Now I will make this two tangent. These two curves also became tangent. Fine. Now I will draw this line. Initially it has a distance is 5 and in the end it's a 12. Okay, straight line. Now I will make it as a tangent. So take a dimension, it's a 5. okay, and this one is 12. Fine. Now I will make it mirror about this. I'll select the center line, entities to be mirror. I select this line, curve, and also this line. Fine, say okay. Now I will connect these 2 points with the line. Fine. Okay, here we will draw this cuttings. So the dimensions are okay. Here it is. The center one we will draw first. It has initial 6.5, and in the end it's a 4 diameter of this one. Okay, fine. 6.5 and 4. One line, and I select another line. Now I'll select 3-point arc. Now I'll make it as a tangent. Added, okay. This two also tangent. Fine. I will make the center line coincident with the center line, center point with center line. Okay, select this point, center line, and this point also. Make symmetric. Fine. This is 6.5 and this is 4. 6.5 and this is 4. Fine. Okay, now I have to concentrate only on this direction, which is 42 mm. 42. Fine, the sketch is fully defined now. Now I have to draw 2 more none profile. So I will select linear sketch pattern. For direction I will use this line, and distance between is 8 mm from both sides. 8. Select 2 entities to the pattern. Select this line and this curve. Direction is this one. Say okay. Now another side also linear sketch pattern. Select this line for the direction, 8 mm, entities to pattern, line and curve, opposite direction. Say okay. Now give the dimension from this central point to center point, which is 8. Say okay. This is also 8 mm. Okay, now sketch is completed, but still it is open somewhere. Okay, it's open here. Now we have to close with the lines. This point to this point, fine, and this point to this point, and this point to this point, finally this point to this. Fine, just see, the counter is closed, so it's changed the color. Okay, Now this sketch is done. We sketched it on the top plane. Fine. Now we have to draw this sketch on the front plane. So go to the front plane, select the sketch. Okay, we have to draw this profile, straight line with the curve, opposite curve, again opposite curve with a 500 mm radius. Fine. Select straight line. Then we can also just don't give up the mouse cursor. Just go to take it on with this point. Now it's became arc. Like this also we can create the arc. Otherwise we can also take from here 3-point arc, then draw it. Second one opposite direction, and another one in the same direction with a 500 radius. Fine. Now I'll give the dimension 500. Fine. Now I will make this tangent. Tangent added. These two also tangent, and also these two curves tangent. Fine. And this line dimension 50, radius 10 and 10. 50, and this radius 10. This is also 10. Fine. Now we have to get this dimension, which is 23 mm. Okay, from this point to this point, 23 mm. Fine. Still it's not in this shape, so that okay, this curve center point is on the vertical lines with this end of the line, and this curve center point is along with this line. Fine. Select this point and this point, make it vertical, added. Okay, then so this point and this line coincident. Fine. Okay, the final dimension is that 200 mm. Fine. Now this sketch is also done. The only thing is we have to connect these two. How to connect? Go to center line, draw the center line here, and make it vertical. Then select this point and select control, select this line, then make it pierce. Now these two sketches are connected. Only I have to lock it with vertically, so I'll give some dimensions. Let's say 50. Okay, now sketch is fully defined. Fine. The sketch part is done. Now I will go to the surface extrude. I select this profile, mid plane. I'll just draw make sure that it has to be more than this top sketch. Fine, say okay. This profile extrude is done. Now I will cut this profile with this tool. So I'll take trim surface. Trim tool is this one, and I'll select the keep selection. Now faces to be trimmed, I have select this one. Now just see, if I selected keep selections, so whichever I want to keep, I have to select that one. So I will select this one, then say okay. Okay, this is cut and only this profile is remain. Just see, in the surface it is done. Now I have to give the thickness to this one. Select this surface, dimension 0.5, mid plane, say okay. The 1 mm thickness is given. Fine. Now we can give the fillets here. I'll say 5 mm. Select these edges, say okay. Fine, our fork is done. We can give the appearances, just a brushed chromium. Fine, let's look fine. Okay, our fork is completed. uh, then we use the features called surface, extrude surface, surface trim, thickness, fillet, etc. Okay, I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Good day.